We've all been there. You type a quick request into an AI, expecting a polished result, but you get back a generic, unhelpful response that completely misses the mark. But you can move past this guesswork. By replacing short, vague prompts with a set of specific instructions, you can significantly reduce the need for constant revisions. This is the CAPIE Framework, a highly structured approach to prompt engineering. It stands for context, assumption, perspective, intent, and expectation. To see how this works in practice, open a blank text document. We are going to build a high-performance prompt together, one piece at a time. Using this framework shifts your role. You are no longer just a passive requester. You are the director of the AI's logic. We start with step 1, context. An AI model needs to understand your background and current situation to anchor its response in the right reality. In your document, write 1 or 2 sentences establishing who you are. For our running example, we'll use, "I am opening a small, independent vegan bakery in downtown Austin." Step 2 is assumption. This is where you define the specific rules, market conditions, or limitations the AI must follow. Without these details, the AI might suggest expensive ideas aimed at the wrong people. You must explicitly state your boundaries. Now add those constraints to your prompt. We will write, "Assume I have a marketing budget of only $500 and my target audience is local college students." By establishing context and assumptions, you provide the baseline facts the AI needs. This ensures the foundation of the final output is relevant to your specific business. Step 3 is perspective. You assign a specific role or lens through which the AI should analyze the problem. You can ask it to think like a legal advisor, an empathetic counselor, or a business strategist. This dictates the AI's logic. Pick the expert role for your task. In our prompt, we'll add, "Act as an expert local business marketer and event planner." Step 4 is intent. This is where you state your ultimate strategic goal. A common mistake here is to start talking about the final format. Don't do that yet. Focus strictly on the core objective you want to achieve. Write down that objective. For our bakery, we'll use, "My goal is to create a high-impact promotional strategy for our grand opening weekend." Defining perspective and intent aligns the AI's reasoning with your actual goals. It prevents the model from providing generic advice that doesn't fit the situation. Finally, we reach step 5, expectation. This defines the physical structure and tone of the AI's response. You need to be specific about 3 things: the formatting style, the desired tone of the writing, and any length requirements. Add these instructions to the end of your prompt. We will request a week-by-week table, written in an energetic tone, limited to just 1 page. Setting these expectations reduces the time you spend on manual formatting. It helps ensure the first draft you receive actually follows your required style and structure. Read through your entire document. You've gone from a simple request to a comprehensive set of instructions. Compare that initial 1-sentence request against the 5-step framework we just built. We have now provided the AI with the background, constraints, and specific goals it was missing. When you run this engineered prompt, the AI produces a detailed, specific plan that accounts for your small budget and your local student audience. Copy your prompt and test it. Tomorrow, try changing just one variable, like the perspective or the assumptions, to see how the output shifts to meet the new criteria. AI is a tool that depends on the clarity of its operator. Use the CAPIE framework, and you'll find that getting the right result becomes a matter of structure rather than luck.